Hey everyone, my name is Rob with Dewalt Anchoring and Fastening. Today we're going to walk through how to install Dewalt Bang It Plus cast in place inserts. Please note that this is not a substitute for the product instruction manual. All users of this product need to read the instruction manual prior to any installation of Dewalt anchoring systems. The first thing we'll discuss is personal protective equipment, known as PPE. Always wear all the appropriate ANSI or NIOSH rated PPE. Reference the Dewalt instruction manual as well as your company's safety guidelines to determine the appropriate PPE depending on the tool, anchor, and application you'll be doing. When installing Dewalt anchors, it's important to always wear eye protection, gloves, and other PPE, and to use the proper dust extraction equipment. First, drill or punch a hole into the steel deck to the hole size required for the Bang It Plus anchor being used. Next, insert the plastic sleeve through the hole into the steel deck. Then simply step on or impact the insert head to engage through the deck base. The base flange can be attached to the steel deck utilizing self-drilling screws, but is not required. Now that the anchor is set, concrete can be poured. Once the concrete has cured, you can attach your threaded rod or bolt through the plastic sleeve and into the insert. Turn until the steel element is fully threaded and simply attach your fixture. If you're utilizing the Bang It Plus push-in anchor, push the threaded rod or bolt through the plastic sleeve into the insert until the steel element is fully seated. The Dewalt bridge bar can be purchased separately for placement of Bang It Plus anchors through the flute incline or positioned over the lower flute of the steel deck profile. The Dewalt bridge bar provides a method to mount Bang It Plus inserts at the approximate same height across the top of the metal decking. That's it. You're ready to install Dewalt Bang It Plus anchors.